Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Norton on your PC. So just go to norton.com and then click get started. Now choose the plan you want to purchase, and if you can find the one, and if you want to just take a quick look at what Norton does, then choose try for free. So it has free tools and free trials. Let me show you the free tools and free trials. So these are the free tools, all right? So for free, you can do a privacy scan, anti-tracking scan, password manager app, and email leak scan. So these are the free tools. Now there are more free tools online, like Norton private browser, a lot of things you can try with Norton. Now, if you want to get the full experience, then you can download Norton with 7-day free trials. Just click the start free trial button, then just choose the package you want to experience, right? So let me just go with this one. Now fill out your details, and you need to have a credit card, or you can pay using PayPal or Google Pay. Then click next, and after that let me show you the steps to follow. Now then you can get it from Microsoft, all right? So press the Windows key and then type store. So let me open up Microsoft Store, this one here. So this is the Microsoft Store that is built in on Windows. Then just search for Norton, and as you can see, the Norton 360, Norton Secure VPN, and there is a lot of Norton apps. So just click install, and this should begin the installation process. As you can see, it's a long, it's a very big file, almost 800 megabytes. Now, let once that is downloaded, just follow the prompts to install it. Then when it installs, just open that and sign in with your ID and password that you used to make the purchase. And that should begin your free trial. So hopefully that should cover this video, and I'll see you in the next one.